My name is Ashley and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about the saltwater trick. I have some important alerts to share, so stay until the end of the video, and I'll tell you. The first thing you need to know about the saltwater trick is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Renew is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Losing weight is a lifelong struggle for many, often marred by the frustration of trying various diets and exercise plans that don't deliver the expected results. The real culprit behind these discouraging outcomes isn't necessarily a lack of effort, but rather a combination of poor sleep quality and a slow metabolism. Addressing this issue, scientists have developed Renew, also known as the saltwater trick, a dietary supplement aimed at enhancing deep sleep, boosting metabolism, and supporting healthy weight loss. The enthusiasm around Renew is growing, with many users reporting significant improvements in their sleep quality, energy levels, and overall health. Renew's approach is distinctive because it focuses on the synergy between sleep and metabolism. Unlike other weight loss supplements that may only target fat burning or appetite suppression, Renew enhances the body's natural rhythms, promoting quality sleep essential for restorative health processes. This can lead to weight loss benefits and a more comprehensive improvement in overall wellness. Apart from weight management, Renew offers a plethora of other health benefits. It supports immune health, helps restore memory and cognitive function, and improves youthful appearance. Renew's formulation, rich in natural, non-GMO ingredients, ensures that it is safe and effective for daily use, aiming to turn back the clock on both physical appearance and physiological health. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test the saltwater trick for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. Now, here's a crucial warning. If you're looking to try the saltwater trick, I strongly recommend purchasing only from the official manufacturer's website. This ensures you get the genuine product and avoids potential scams. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. Alright folks, we've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until next time.